I'm Trudy, this is Daniel. We're Educated by Nature. Welcome to our Possible. In 2015, we were working here at Bold Park Community School, and we decided to take the plunge and specialise in nature connection. We decided to leave our careers in classroom teaching and set up the social enterprise Educated by Nature to serve the community in Perth and Western Australia.
When we let our students know that we were about to leave teaching and start this new venture, one of the students asked us if we would be working for real money or if we would be working for pine cones, which was one of the currencies that they used in the wild space as a part of their outdoor classroom and their nature experience at school. Our hope, and what we told them, was that we would be working for real money, but there's been a lot of working for pine cones.
That's okay. That's our heart and that's our spirit and our gift to the communities and families in Perth. Perth and WA are such beautiful places with amazing natural areas, and we'd love to see people using them more and connecting to this wonderful place. But we feel like we're at the stage now where we need some help to develop our ideas and develop the different ways that we can help people to do this.
So we're going on an adventure to the United States of America for 5 weeks, and while we're there we're going to have the opportunity to meet, hang out with, spend time with some incredibly inspirational people in the Nature Connection movement, as well as a whole week camping just outside San Francisco.
I'm going to drag this one out into the wilds, and we're going to build our own emergency shelter and sleep in it with spiders and rattlesnakes.
So I'm a little bit nervous. So we've got a crowdfunding campaign. This Possible is to raise some extra funds so that we can do a little bit more than just the art of mentoring camping and the training, but also to take some bus trips to see different things around America. We're going to be spending some time in Seattle as well as New York and Ithaca. So
there's great people we want to meet, and we want to share all the things that we've learnt with you in the wider population as well. We're going to set up our own campfire conversation vlog. So as we go around, we'll talk to different people along the way and share those ideas that we gain with you too.
So one of the rewards that you can get for helping us with this crowdfunding campaign is to spend a night here around this campfire. Might be a little bit bigger, I think.
I think so.
And we're going to cook you dinner on the campfire, and we're going to share some stories about our travels and about the ways we're going to take this passion of ours and give back to the West Australian community.
Or you might like to join us at one of the amazing natural spaces in Perth and play some wilderness awareness games with your family. New games that we'll learn to bring back to Perth.
Or for the smaller amounts of money in the campaign, you could get a crazy photo of us eating some delicious food, or me dealing with spiders in the great outdoors, or maybe even getting a bus ride to see Kenny Ballantyne and kayak through the lakes in Sacramento.
If you're from an organisation or a school, you might like to chip in a little bit more and sponsor us to come and do a whole day training at your school or in an incursion.
Or you might just like to give a few dollars and get an email of us in one of the crazy locations that we're going to visit. Any amount of money is going to support this wonderful adventure that we're about to embark upon, and we're really excited to not only take our joys across to the States, but then have the opportunity to bring their joys back to Western Australia.
We really hope you can join us on this journey.